Hello. Okay, so Safal Events has come back to Akuto Bhayai for the second time in this week. And a 2-day show છે today and tomorrow 26th and 27th of July. And a ma'am collection માં શું છે?
हमारे यहाँ पर कलेक्शन सिर्फ अहमदाबाद से नहीं बल्कि बॉम्बे से, बनारस से, कलकत्ता से, कच्छ से, काफ़ी सारे जगह से यहाँ पर कलेक्शन आ रहा है। 2 दिन का एग्जीबिशन है। होलसेल एग्जीबिशन के नाम से हम ये एग्जीबिशन करते हैं बिकॉज हमारा जो प्राइस होता है वो रिटेल वालों से बहुत कम होता है। हम ऑलमोस्ट होलसेल प्राइस रखते हैं।
Okay, and they're also distributing free plants to customers who come over here with a reusable bag. If you want to see the collection, swipe left. Okay, starting off with Rakhis. If you're looking for some Rakhis for kids, the kids collection में Rakhis available है अपने पास है. They also have some regular Rakhis like these. These are based on German silver. So you'll get options like these, and these are all for very affordable ranges. We also have earrings. Okay, moving on to the next brand, daily wear jewelry joiti ho, so they have options in those. Options like these are available. They have chains as well and bracelets, and they also have some kurtas. Can we see your kurtas? They have short top and kurtas.
This is the XXL.
Okay, moving on to the next brand over here. Hello.
Hello. So we specialize in Lucknowi's.
Okay.
One pieces in whites and colors. Floral collection.
Okay.
Short top, long kurtis and one pieces. Bottoms. Plazos, pants, shararas and dhotis are available. Spaghettis.
Okay, spaghetti ma bhi options.
Long, short, both.
Okay, so if you're looking for cord sets like these, the options are available share. Okay, and they have some Indian wear pieces as well. So 3-piece suits like these. Okay. Okay. Moving on to jewelry. Ethnic jewelry જોઈતી હોય તમને તો ઘણા જ બધા options available છે. These can be used for festive events. These can be used for Navratri as well. They have choker options with earrings. Okay. અને એમની પાસે થોડી anti tarnish jewelry માં પણ options available છે. You find lot of jewelry options over here. They also have some Rakhis. So Rakhi માં collection જોઈતું હોય તો again એમાં options available છે. They have ભાઈ ભાભી Rakhi as well. And of course anti tarnish jewelry નું બહુ જ wide collection એમની પાસે available છે and affordable range માં start થાય છે. Okay, moving on with jewelry. If you're looking for ethnic pieces, so there are options available here. Lots of bangles and colors also to choose from. Okay, let's move on to clothing. Kids collection માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય તમને તો એમાં options available છે. Okay, અને એમની sizes start from 1 year up till 9 years of age. ચણિયા ચોળીમાં પણ options available છે like these. Okay. And both cute pieces available here, and they also have some collection in older women, so you'll find spaghettis like these, you'll find 3-piece suits. Okay, let's move on to the next brand. Hello.
So we have option in Malchanderi suit sets.
Malchanderi suit sets.
We have options in 3-piece. We have option in Mal cotton.
Mal cotton.
We have option in party wear 2 pieces. And we have option in cord sets as well.
And cord sets માં પણ options available છે.
Hello, so we have option in 2 pieces.
2-piece.
These are all 2 pieces.
Color options મળી જશે, sizes પણ મળી જશે.
3-piece.
3-piece.
Sets. We have another option in 2 pieces as well.
Okay, 2-piece માં options available છે. The next brand over here has Meenakari jewelry options like these. So you'll find a wide variety of jewelry. Okay. ઘણા જ બધા options જોવા મળશે. They have chokers and mangalsutras as well. Okay, moving on to the next jewelry brand that we have over here. They have anti-tarnish jewelry. They have ethnic jewelry options as well. Daily wear jewelry જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં પણ options are available. And they have some chokers, neck pieces. પગના કડા પણ છે એમની પાસે. They have earrings as well. Okay, moving on to the next brand again, anti-tarnish jewelry options available છે એમની પાસે. And they also have some phone charms.
Hi, so we deal in bed sheets. unstitched suits. They're pure mull cotton suits. Dohers. We also make customized baby dohers with names and everything. And then we have our own brand, the new brand kurtis and everything. We get it stitched, customized on our own. And there are some Jaipuri collections. And we also deal with dry fruits. Thank you.
Okay, moving on to the next brand. If you're looking for chanya cholis, blouses joita hai, ghagra joita hai, to ema options mari jaise. They also have western wear trousers at 500, shorts at 300 and shirts at 500 again. The next brand over here, they have some anti-tarnish jewelry, they have ethnic jewelry, 1 gram gold jewelry pan options available here. They have half sleeves, long pieces, and the earrings that they have, they're really lightweight. Okay. And German silver based here. And there is also a brand over here, Jimny Passe, Bukwas here. All white makai collection joito hoy, so this brand has those. They have some crop tops like these. They have short tops like these. Okay. ઘણા જ બધા options available છે. They also have kurtas and blouses. Okay, we take a look at a couple of blouse options that they have. These are a few kurtas and these are dupattas. Okay, moving on to the next brand that we have over here. This is a Janmashtami special brand. They have Jula over here. They have poshaks as well. અને એમની પાસે અમુક રાખીની options available છે. They have some liquids as well. અને if you're looking for some toys, તો એ પણ છે. Okay.
दिवाली से रिलेटेड कुछ लाभ तोरण भी છે.
અને તોરણમાં પણ options available છે. Okay, the next brand over here, they have handmade jewelry options, so bangles like these. Okay, and their range starts from 250 for the bangles. Okay, ઘણા જ બધા options જોવા મળશે. And they have some jewelry and rakhi options as well.